Guys, I'm back in Dom's candy van from the last time I was in Cali.
He baited us in here.
Dom, say hi.
Yo. He baited us in here.
He did bait us in here.
Candy.
With Chick-fil-A. Sky, say hi.
Hi.
But there's no candy.
There is no candy, and I'm quite upset about there being no candy.
But
There's Chick-fil-A. What are we doing today? We're going to the beach with the mini tramp. You explained all that. We're meeting up with some people. What's their name?
Junkwall.
Junkwall Tramp? Trampwall Tribe?
Junkwall Tribe.
They're cool. You've probably seen them.
Yeah, they're
honestly.
Junkwall Tribe, I think.
Junkwall Tribe? Trampwall Tribe.
I am so sorry for messing that up.
I don't know what anyone's saying anymore. But, per usual, all of my videos are completely random, and I never have any plan for them, so I don't know what's going to happen.
I wish I could get a second angle of how you're filming right now.
You could. You have a phone.
My
Oh, his phone's charging. Sky, give him your phone.
No, it's okay. I don't want to do anything.
You want my
That didn't
phone?
mean I was going to do anything. No,
The laziest cameraman in the game right here, people.
Dude, I'm off clock, bro. I'm chilling right now. Dude, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Stop.
We have made it to the beach. Oh, we're not going to wait for Dom? Just like that? Just like that? There are flippers off in the distance that we are going to meet up with. I don't know if Z and Pasha, Eric, and Chris are there yet.
Oh my god, you missed a whole lot.
Well, sorry, our driver wanted food.
Oh, you fucking
Yeah,
pussy.
we did.
Yeah.
No, they just like, yeah, they're not team players. They just fucking, they hungry, that's it. You should put in the fucking video. I'm serious.